Hi, in this video I'm going to unbox the Westinghouse Rangehood carbon filter. So the carbon filter is needed when you do not have an air duct going outside the house. So basically the air is circulating inside your house. So let's just open up this box and see what the carbon filter looks like. So I just ordered this online for around $20. So depending on where you get them, they can vary between $15 to $25. So here it is a charcoal filter. Now you can look up on your Rangehood for the model number and see what you need, which model you need. Getting the wrong part will not fit into your Rangehood, so make sure you get the right one by looking at the model number. So it's just a plain box, and then we'll open it here, and inside this box is just a filter. So this is the filter here, so we can open up the bag. Take it out. So it looks like it's got a lot of charcoal inside here, and this is on the other side. So that is the side there of the filter. So it looks like a very soft fabric filter on this one here. And if we turn over, so this one here is a 900. I got a 900 millimeter Rangehood. So hopefully it will fit in. Hopefully I have ordered the right part. I checked the model number, so hopefully they send the right part and it will fit in. And we'll take a look in the next video how you can install this filter into the Rangehood. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.